stories high.
I don't even know if it looks like it's standing still.
It does look like it's standing still.
8 stories high. That's unbelievable.
Either that or these are people who left JFK on Friday.
It's a million pounds, just to let you know how heavy this thing is.
$1 million pounds?
A million pounds, 1.2 million, I'm told. And
this is the historic first landing. Rick, you up there?
I'm here, we're watching it. It's just about a minute away or so from touching down on runway 24 right here at LAX. Look at that thing. Double decker, largest passenger airline. You're listening in on ATC as well. There it is, the Airbus 838. That is a machine. Look at that thing.
That looks so slow,
8
Rick.
stories.
Doesn't it look like it's been landing?
Not bad.
Yeah, I mean, they slow down quite a bit as they come in.
You get a transfer when you get off here?
You know, there were only about 12 people on this particular flight, all technicians, etc. The one that just landed in New York had 500 plus people.
Oh, I'd love that, and then you could interview them and say, was it worth it? What was it like?
It's like a plane flight. What are they going to say?
What are they doing on this one, playing Frisbee?
I want to see how Frisbee is operating. They're doing some technical stuff. There's a background to this, Cheech, and that is that we lost, it was going to land here, and then New York got it, and we got very upset here, so we did a lot of politicking, and so we have a landing that's supposed to be at the same time as the one in New York.
We were very upset about that.
Yeah, I guess we were.
Did Air France operate this?
This is a consortium. Will be several airlines will be flying this one. Actually, Bob, when does this actually go into passenger service?